What's up, YouTube? And today I'm just going to talk about the AMP token. And right now it is listed. Right now it's 5 cents. And the good news is it is going to be listed on Coinbase Pro. So as you can see here, Gitcoin, MZI token, and AMP are launching on Coinbase Pro starting today, Tuesday, June 8th. Transfer GTC, MLN, and AMP into your Coinbase Pro account ahead of trading. Support for GTC, MLN, and AMP will generally be available in Coinbase supported jurisdiction with the exception of GTC in New York. GTC, MLN, and AMP will not be supported in Singapore. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Thursday, June 10, if liquidities are met. So this is big news for especially AMP token holders, which they were asking for this for months. So now it's a reality. I'm very excited about it. I'm sure all the AMP token holders are excited about it. This is a big deal. And, we'll see. And I'm not going to make no price prediction because that's not, I don't like making predictions on that. But I think it's going to be a big deal on that. And I went on my Coinbase Pro to check, and it is there right now. Of course, it's not actively trading. But yeah, this is very exciting news. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. And there you go. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And comment below on what you think about this. I know I'm very excited about it. And we'll see what happens. But definitely good news on that. So take care. I'm out. See you later. Bye-bye.